Hello, I just wanted to post a little video to explain and I guess express my gratitude to Marci for the Align to Manifest program. I came across the program about a year ago, and it's absolutely transformed my life. Like, there's so many different specific tools that I could mention to you, but I think that the most important thing to mention is that Marci not only masters the human journey, she actually works on a multidimensional level. And so when I think I originally heard that, I was just like, what the fuck? And then I sort of was like, realized that she has this ability to be 100% human and to speak to you about the things that are real and that are happening and that are tangible. And then at the same time, also talk to you about, you know, being this celestial being, like being a spirit, right? And existing in this world. And they can both exist at the same time. And why that might sound like a little bit like woo-woo or a little bit crazy, I've become less attached to this program, to my human journey, and more trusting of life. I think that's probably my biggest takeaway from this year, is like, just trust life, right? And know that the bigger picture is so much more than my small human mind can see. Now, like, to be really specific about what that means in terms of like the program, is that Marci has this innate ability to pinpoint where things are out of alignment. So, for example, if I were to have a question about how to better parent, say, or say that I was having some challenges with one of my kids, while most people who are in the self-empowerment world, or most mentors, would go straight to maybe my parenting style or looking at the habits of my children, she looks at the whole picture, right? She sees the whole picture, and she just goes, oh, okay, well, have you noticed that, you know, like, your inability to receive joy could directly connected to this, or having a belief behind, like, you know, you're not a good parent, or, I mean, there's so many different directions that could go. But what I'm saying, or what I'm trying to be clear about saying, is that Marci's program is not just about looking at the things or the issues. It's about aligning every area in life and realizing that it's all interconnected. And that has been my biggest takeaway. And that's also provided me the ability to trust life, because I go like, okay, so nothing is out of alignment, right? Even if it feels really shitty, or if it feels really hard, like, it's all happening for a greater purpose. And so I don't know if I was clear in explaining that. I think one of the analogies that she uses is, you know, the human journey is like this, and then the spiritual path is like this, and the aim is to do both at the same time. So if this is spiritual and this is human, like, the aim in life is just to keep growing and mastering the human journey, and also becoming really multi-dimensional. And I think I've discovered almost like a coming home to myself. And so that feels exciting, and I also feel empowered. I don't feel like, you know, Marci has necessarily given me the answers, but she has spoken a lot of truth, and the truth is what speaks to my heart, you know, and my heart is like, it connects to it, and it knows truth. So anyways, I hope this is helpful for you. And if you're ever thinking about joining the program, it's a big leap, and it's well worth it. Look forward to seeing you soon, I hope. Ciao.